In this video, we are going to make Rubik's Cube patterns. Before we start the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Let's go! The name of the first pattern is vertical stripes, and it is created with this algorithm. F, U, F, R, L2, B, D prime, R, D2, L, D prime, B, R2, L, F, U, F. Number 2 pattern is wire. R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R, L, F, B, R2, B2, L2, R2, B2 and L2. Number 3, spiral pattern. L prime, B prime, D, U, R, U prime, R prime, D2, R2, D, L, D prime, L prime, R prime, F, U. Number 4 pattern is cube in the cube. F, L, F, U prime, R, U, F2, L2, U prime, L prime, B, D prime, B prime, L2, U. The name of the pattern is high. M2, U2, M2, U2. Number 6 is displaced motif. L2, B2, D prime, B2, D, L2, U, R2, D, R2, B, U, R prime, F2, R, U prime, B prime, and U prime. And the last pattern is twisted rings. F, D, F prime, D2, L prime, B prime, U, L, D, R, U, L prime, F prime, U, L, U2. Thank you for watching the video. If you want to post the next part of pattern making, like the video and send it to your friends. I love you all, and until the next video, goodbye.
I don't really know what comes next, I'm just doing my best.